What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today we are out here in Timnath, Colorado. We are doing a little tour up through all the way from Westminster up to Loveland and all the way down to Castle Rock and Fort Collins, Severance. You guys know that we service the entire area now. We're trying to really build up that preferred installer network for you guys, but we sell everything electronic related that you need for your home. Today, we are gonna feature a very simple yet cool project that Tony, one of our preferred installers here, installed right behind us. We're actually gonna walk you through this entire space. We have a total of 3 TV mounts with Sonos. You guys know we love us some Sonos. Very easy wireless solution that just gets the job done. Well, let's get into it, guys. Hope you're as excited as I am. Let's go! All right, guys, so I'm gonna take the microphone right here and hand it off to Tony.
Thank you, Zach. So with this TV, this was just a blank wall before. The customer had their contractor build a wall that came further out, and then he had it installed with a fireplace and tiled. And this tile has been done to a high standard finish.
It's very nice.
So with that,
we actually put this fireplace in too, huh?
Yep, fireplace was installed.
Nice.
Nice electric fireplace with LED lights behind it. So we had to run the cables up behind the TV. We were involved with the whole process of knowing where the studs were. So we had pictures and measurements before the tile and the wood went behind the tile. So we knew exactly where to mount our mount onto the studs. And with this TV, it's a full motion mount, so it can slide out again, and you can twist it to the right, tilt it down.
This is really nice, guys. Check it out. This is an open concept floor plan, very, very common. So like if they're over here having breakfast, now they can see the TV without getting that nasty glare.
So this customer wanted the TV at a certain height, and we were able to execute that. And you can see at the back of the TV, it's nice and neat. He has a spare HDMI for a future cable box if he ever wants to install one. The TV mount is a Sonos mount with a Sonos Arc soundbar. And the Arc is a Dolby Atmos soundbar.
So for my guys out there that aren't familiar with Dolby Atmos, this new Arc soundbar is really cool because it actually has speakers all through here as well as on the side caps. And then in addition to that, it has speakers right here firing up. So it's kind of emulating them having overhead speakers right here. It's really cool. So you'll like hear your helicopter and rain and stuff up there. It's really ideal for a house like this. Even lower ceilings would be better, but a flat ceiling is really ideal for these Atmos bounce bars. We can also do full-blown surround sound systems for you guys. So if you wanted to do like all-in ceilings or like say some in walls and a sound bar in combination with surround sound speakers back here for your low effects and then put in ceilings in, we can do like a full-blown surround sound system. We have all the industry-leading products to choose from. But it's really great to give you guys a variety of options. Like this is something that gets the job done, looks fantastic, and it's affordable. Tony did a great job setting this up. So back to you, Tony. You want to show us the next room?
Yep. So next room is the bedroom, and they wanted the same situation in here. They wanted a TV mounted with some good quality sound. They didn't want to go for another Arc, so they went for the smaller version, which is a Sonos Beam. And you see it's mounted underneath the TV here, which is another great speaker. It doesn't have as many drivers as the Sonos Arc. I think it has half as many as the Sonos Arc, but again, it's another great speaker.
This is a very small room, guys, as you can see. So it gets the job done. And let me grab the mic back from you, Tony. So just like I've said in another video that's going to be coming out here shortly, or may have already come out in Fort Collins, with these Sonos systems, the real benefit is not only that they're pretty good audio quality for the money, they're affordable, but in addition to that, they have distributed audio built in. They have an app where you can pair these speakers together and play music independent, like totally different songs, or you can play the same song in both rooms. And you can also, like say you were watching a football game or something over here, you can grab that audio and distribute it into this room, as well as you could put additional speakers, like say in the kitchen or downstairs, and pair all of them together so when you're entertaining, it's a really nice experience, which I think we have another one down there, right?
Yeah, another Sonos Beam downstairs.
Cool, so back to you, Tony.
Okay, so down in the basement, we have another TV set up on a full motion mount with a Sonos Beam below it. And the main idea of the Sonos setup was the customer wanted to have good quality sound, but didn't want to go through the hassle of trying to put speakers in the walls. Okay, Zach, so here we have the customer's supplied TV with a Sonos Beam underneath. And the Sonos Beam is mounted onto the TV mount. And again, it's another full motion mount which can come out, turn left and right and tilt down. So if you're in a different part of the room, you can still see the TV.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our walkthrough out here in Colorado. Really simple system, but I like to show all different varieties of content. You guys know on the channel recently, we've been getting into some ultra hi-fi stuff like Panamorph DCR lens, Limogens, the new JVC 8K projectors, crazy setups, really huge Atmos systems, which are cool. But at the end of the day, we do it all, guys. You just want some TVs thrown up on the wall? You want some Sonos underneath it that gives you distributed audio? It gets the job done. We have you covered. Even if you just want the TVs on the wall, we'll get you hooked up with our 5-star pros and make sure that they get it securely mounted to the wall with that 5-star service. All right, guys, well, if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, whether it's something like Sonos or a full-blown home theater system with Focal and JVC, we have you covered here at Dreamedia. We have free consultations, guys. Reach out today and FaceTime with my guys, and they'll walk through your entire house, and we'll find something that fits your needs and budget. All right, that's all I got for you. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. And smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.